Hello friends, how are you today? Many of us have been waiting for the COTPS, but they have not yet shown us that they are really back, as many of us expected. To those who are waiting for them to return from their long-term leave, I wish you the best of luck. The truth is sometimes hard to grasp, but the truth remains the truth. We all know a Ponzi scheme when we see one. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and click the notify button to be notified when we post updates on COTPS. In the last video we posted, we mentioned a video we are working on. How to spot a Ponzi scheme. We all need to know about their tricks. The next video we will upload is about how to spot a Ponzi scam, so please subscribe to this channel to be notified when we upload the video. Something has come to my attention that I think needs to be talked about. After COTPS disappeared from the net, many funny-looking sites have popped up claiming to be COTPS. People say that COTPS is back and is better because these sites claim to be COTPS. There was a website where someone claimed that the COTPS website was 85% ready and that they were still working on the website. But let us be honest, and if not truthful, then factual. I am a web developer. I know that a website that is built from scratch is usually only visible to the administrator and is not uploaded online for everyone to see if it is not ready. Even though I know that some websites can upgrade while they are still visible or public, there is usually always a message on the website saying we are upgrading or something else. That was also a red flag. And people never took note of that. People believed that it was a clone of COTPS. The website was just one of the websites that tried to imitate COTPS and its functioning. The name of the website is b.ntrust. If you go to bn-trust.com, you will find that the website no longer exists. What exactly is going on here? You may ask yourself. I just think that all this would disappear in no time and the whole idea of COTPS would disappear forever. That is exactly what they wanted to happen. The weeks they gave us were only to make us forget them, and even if we visited them again, we would forget them even more if they refused to return as promised. I will say it again and again. No pyramid scheme will give you a second chance. I have never seen and would never see. These scammers are not stupid, but intelligent brains. B.ntrust is gone, exactly the same way COTPS came and went. It is the norm of their operations. Let us move forward. Better days to come. Please subscribe to this channel for more information about COTPS. We will inform you about the latest update.